Let's take a look at Digibyte and we'll do some price analysis. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. First up, please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. So today we're going to be talking about Digibyte. We'll run over some of the key statistics first on CoinMarketCap. As you can see already, we had pretty much 20% up on today's trading. It's been we're on a very good run, but we'll look at it on the charts in a minute, and then we'll have a look at some all-time highs. Like I say, then we'll finish up on the charts, do some price analysis to see where the price could potentially go, and if it drops, some potential key areas to invest. So let's get cracking into this. Digibyte, which is ticker DGB, is currently ranked 49 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed. We have a token price today of 0.029108. Like I say, we are up pretty much 20% on today's trading. We have a total supply of 13.7 billion tokens, and out of MA circulation, it's pretty much all of them. We're getting a 24-hour volume of just under $28 million. And market cap today, which is the 25th of November 2020, is $401 million. If we just look at where that volume is getting traded, we're getting quite a substantive amount on Binance there. So you're getting 22% on Binance, and that's against Tether and BTC. And then OKX, Bittrex, all the big exchanges are pretty much listed Digibyte. If you scroll down, we've got over 100 recognised pairs there. So if you are looking to get hold of some Digibyte, it is fairly easy. Just scrolling down on the right side, one thing that we're interested in is the all-time highs, and that was just there. It was 14 cents, and that was on January the 7th, 2018. We all know what happened then. That was pretty much the time that all coins got their all-time highs back then. So that is some of the key statistics. We'll jump over to TradingView now and do some TA. Here we have Digibyte versus Tether on the monthly time frame. I'm using the Bittrex chart here. I don't trade on Bittrex, but it's got pretty much most of the volume. We have not got, though, the data pre-July 2018. So if you just look, I've already marked up the all-time highs, which was up here at 14 cents. So we'll just have a look at the monthly time frame and just see if we can mark any key areas of support and resistance. And if we have any, then we will drop into some support and resistance levels. I'm not seeing many, to be honest. Like I had a look pre-video, I couldn't see any support or resistance levels really at this time frame. You could use a box method and you could catch them, but that's just not the way I like to do it, to be honest. First one we've got there. So to me, what I'm looking for is two touches of a wick. So if you look at that, we actually acted as resistance twice there. Support twice. So that's, to me, confirmed a valid area of monthly support. That's a potential area to buy in, I'm going to be guessing at this point. Let's see if we've got any more lower, just in case the market does turn sour, and we've got one there. I'm not going to go any lower than that, to be honest. We're on a good rise. So that is a level there and a level there of monthly support. Am I going to go any lower than that? No, I'm not. So that is the monthly time frame. We'll drop into weekly, and again we'll just work his way down from top to bottom, and again look for 2 weeks pretty much. What am I doing there? 2 weeks that pretty much correspond with each other. That is pretty much close, to be honest. That will just pot luck. So that to me confirms that we have a good level of resistance. Really, it's not quite on, but we'll manipulate it a little bit. So that's pretty much on there. So that is a weekly level. There we go, it's first weekly, and we'll just work his way down and see what we've got, because potentially some of these are going to be targets very, very soon with the way the market's looking. I think that could be a level there. So we actually rejected off it there and rejected off it there. That is the next area, in my opinion, there, until we drop into the daily, but we're not quite sure on that yet. Let's have a look what we got down here. That looks like one as well. We've actually rejected, that's what we've currently rejected off at a minute. Change it to a weekly. Wonder if that goes our way through, to be honest. No, it goes our way through to there. So that's 3 weeks we've had there. We've touched that support and resistance line. And let's just see if we can get one in the middle. Somewhere around here you would expect there to be one. Yeah, if you look at that. So we rejected off there and acted as support. So that is enough levels, I think, there. We've got one more potentially in here somewhere. Yeah, we have. If you look at these 2 weeks, actually rejected off those two. Rejected, come away through, and then we're rejected there. So that is, I think that's going to be enough levels there for us to work with. What I'm going to do now is drop into the daily time frame, and this is where I do pretty much most of my TA. And you can see what I want to do first is just go back in time a little bit to March 12th. And that's when Bitcoin had about 57% dump, and ever since then everything's been rosy and looking good. So if you just look at it as a price perspective, if you manage to get some Digibyte down here at 0.0023 cent, I actually bought some up here, rode it all the way down. I didn't see this pump, and I just saw that my portfolio were massively high around here, so I managed to sell at this weekly level. I never bought back in, but to be honest, I've bought some other projects now, so I mean, if we do get a bit of a retracement, potentially is to drop, but I think we've already had that retracement there. But if you just look at this as a price move from top to bottom, we had a 1,700% price raise, which is absolutely massive. And to be honest, this is just for starters, and this is just go for Digibyte. This is all altcoins. I think we're entering a new stage, and I do think that thing's going to start pushing. So that is what move we've done so far. Let me just put a quick bearish scenario on this, just in case the market shit the pants and everything starts coming down. And I'm going to use a Fibonacci from this. I'm going to use a closed body at the bottom of the move, all the way up to the pretty much a double top that we had there, 15th, 16th of August. As you can see, we have done quite a significant retracement. We've not got quite down to a 618 level, but we have used this area of monthly support and bounced off it pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So that is a key area, and if we're going back a few weeks, that would have been the perfect area to buy in around that area. I mean, this monthly support has held up so well. If you look back in then, it held up well. And this monthly support here, we did get a drop, and it held up very well there. So that potentially could have been the best opportunity to get back in, as we have done a retracement. We've not quite made that 618 level, so we'll remove that for now. So that is where you potentially could have bought in, but that doesn't really matter because we've missed that now. So what we want to do is potentially look at new levels of support to get in. So if you're looking to buy in, I mean, these two levels here could be quite significant. If we don't close above this level today, then and we are below this level, this could be a potential area to buy in at around 23 to 24 cent potentially. But it's looking very bullish. The markets are bullish. I mean, we're on a massive run today. We're up 21% currently. And we do know that things, as soon as they go up, could potentially come down. So just be wary that we could come down here and have some orders in place if you're looking to accumulate. But that is a bearish scenario, and that is a potential entry point. We are very bullish at the minute. We have rejected off this weekly support at 30 cent, pretty much on the nose. What we need to do to target next levels is close above. If we do close above this level today at 30 cent, then I think the next target will be 31 cent. That is quite close, so the chances of us flipping these two in one candle are quite rare, really. We could flip these, and then, in my opinion, this is the major next target of 31.8 cent, 32 cent, you could call that. If we do flip that to support, then this is the next level of the yearly highs up at 37 cent. Beyond that, we've got no real levels really, because as I say, we've not got the chart data. If we just go back in time a little bit and have a look on the daily, see if we can get any potential levels there. I mean, you could say that is a key area there to break. Usually I don't do the box method, but you can see we've got quite a few wicks there, and that could be a potential area to load up, to target. That probably the next major resistance level up there. If we just zoom right out, let's drag that right across. And just make sure we've got all them wicks in there. As you can see, we wicked into area 3 times. We've not got quite the data, so we'll just have to use that box method there. So that could be the next major target. Other than that, like I say, I've not got the data to chart really, so what we need to do is make his own data, start pushing up, and then I can do some further analysis. This chart has the most data out of them all. That is listed on CoinMarket, on TradingView, so this is all we've got to work with. When we push above there, there's probably not going to be a lot of resistance levels. If you look at a lot of altcoins from that period in January to about June, July, it was just a massive drop, and everything fell like a lead balloon, so there wasn't much resistance or support levels to target there. So I think this is the next level. If we do break above 37 cent, then this is the next target up at 44 cent. If we do flip this area to support over the next few weeks to months before Christmas potentially, then I will do some more analysis and see what data we can pull in from exchange charts and things like that, and try and mark some key areas up, and it will give us some good areas to target. So that is some key levels for you to look at. Somebody did request this in the crypto mob, so this is rather than just blasting a chart, I thought I'd do a quick video. So hopefully you all found that useful. It does give you some areas to potentially trade if you're looking for some trade setups, or even if you're just looking to accumulate at these levels when we flip them to support. Let's say this is a potential area to buy in, but we've got to pretty much lose this area. It is possible, so just keep your eyes on the charts. If we do drop down to this level, then monitor it, because there's another monthly level down here at 18 cent. But like I say, it is looking very, very bullish across the market. So let's hold out and let's start breaking some of these levels, and then we can pretty much target some things higher. What I just want to do to finish up is put the Hitman on. So a Hitman works out when there is a shift in market momentum. As you can see, we get bear icons when the trend is down and bull when the icons are going up. Currently, we have a bull icon that appeared on 21st of November, so that's pretty much 4 or 5 days ago now. And we are in a bullish trend. So I do think that this is going to continue, and this is the ultimate target over the next few weeks. Try and break 3.7 cent that is there, so missing them zeros out. So I think that will do it for today's video. Please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and like I say at the beginning, please do join my Telegram group. It is growing quite nicely. It is the Crypto Troops. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. So thank you very much for listening, and I will catch you next time.